Hello.
Hi.
Hi, good evening. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay. Can you see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, that's good. So, can we start now? Are you ready?
Yes.
All right, that's good to hear. So, now let's start for the story number one. So, we have here words to learn. Please read the instruction.
Đây là vở chuối có nghĩa là lá.
Can you read the instruction?
Look at the picture and read the word.
Okay, so these are the pictures. Number one,
Cái này tôi học.
this one,
Dangerous.
next,
See a doctor. Take medicine.
okay, we have here itchy, peanut, dangerous. See a doctor, take a medicine. Okay, so next,
Cô
this
giáo của
one.
tôi đâu?
Please read here.
I will. You don't eat peachy.
This one.
See, they don't eat shrimp. Don't eat shrimp.
Okay, we have here I don't eat peaches, you don't eat peaches, and we don't eat peaches. Another example, he doesn't eat shrimps, or it could be she doesn't eat shrimps. And last one, we have they don't eat shrimps. Okay, so next, please read. Start here. Start this one.
You don't eat peachy. He finger become itchy. He sister don't eat shrimp. He like big big. He her brother don't eat peaches. He check back on red. He there. We can be dangerous. His brother don't eat peachy. His yesterday red from red. There are red. We can be dangerous. See a doctor quick. I tell Mister.
All right, very good. Next. What should be the best title? Is it Delicious Food or Dangerous Allergies? What do you think is the main idea or the best title for this short story? Is it Delicious Food or Dangerous Allergies?
Nature allergy.
Okay, Dangerous Allergies. Okay, very good. Next, we have here, where's the peanut? Can you connect your answer from the words to the picture? Where's the peanut here? Okay, how about itchy?
Itchy.
Very good. Dangerous. And take medicine. Okay, very good. We have peanut, itchy, dangerous, and take medicine. Okay, very good. Next, let's have now the grammar check. Circle the correct word for each
Tiếng Anh không thi
sentence.
đấu
So
ở
can
trong
you
liên
circle your answer?
I don't.
Okay, very good. Number two. Okay. All right, very good. Don't and doesn't. Okay, very good. Next, let's have now this one, comprehension check. What is the answer? Peaches make bills. The answer is,
Bill.
the answer is fingers. Number two, Bill's sister has allergy to, okay, peanuts. Correct. All right, good job. Next for number three question, allergies can be, okay, allergies can be dangerous. Okay, perfect. Next, Bill's fingers become, the answer.
I
Do you know what
don't
is
know.
this? Do you know what is
I
this?
don't know.
Do you know what picture is this?
Apple.
Okay, this one, that is this picture.
I don't know.
That's a shrimp. Okay, how about this one?
Okay. Ha.
That's peanuts.
Peanut.
Okay, next. All right, next one. We have here. Can you read? What is this?
Railway.
Okay, second. What do you call
Pig.
this one? How about this?
Pig.
Okay, next, let's have this one.
Accident.
How about this?
Okay.
Forget. Last one. Last one.
Pig.
Okay, that's hunger. So again, this is gain weight, plate, taste, exercise, forget, and hunger. Okay, next one. Let's proceed here. What do you call this?
Eat less and do some accident.
Okay, eat
Ride a
less.
bike.
This
Do some
one.
accident. Do some
Next.
accident.
Okay, eat less, do some exercise, and ride a bicycle. All right, next. Please read. Start here.
I love eating everything is natural to me. But I don't want to gain weight. How can I eat that? You put on the plate. Eat those cookies natural. Burger cheese. That food so that tastes good. Some how accident. You can try your whole hamburger.
Okay, very good. So what should be the main idea or this story is all about eating less or cooking well? Is it eating less or cooking well? What's the answer? Yes, the correct answer is
Eating less.
Eating less. Okay, correct. Next, how about this one? Where is the plate? Where is the plate?
Sao mai
Okay, how about the taste?
Taste. Hey.
Exercise?
Này.
Okay, we have here plate, taste,
Nào.
exercise, and forget. Okay, next we have here
What your teeth?
okay, that is brush your teeth. The second,
Do some exercise. Put the apple on the plate.
how about number three?
Number three. Put the apple on the plate.
Okay, very good. Next, how about this one? Number one,
The girl want to
the girl wants to.
where?
Okay,
Where? Where? Where?
okay. Now, second, your food doesn't look delicious on.
Blue.
Okay, how about number three? Yes, can make you forget your hunger. Is it sleep, music, or exercise?
Let's exercise.
Okay, very good. Next, let's have try it. You want to eat less. What can you do? Can you read? This one?
Put on a balloon head. I can brush my teeth. I can do some exercise.
Okay, how about next? Number two? I can brush
My teeth.
my teeth. I can do.
I can some exercise.
Okay, some exercise. Perfect. Okay, next we have review test. Okay, so what number here is the dangerous? 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5?
Dangerous.
It's number
5.
Okay, gain weight. All right, very good. Correct. Okay, good job. Next, they do some lifts or exercises every day. Can you encircle your answer? Is it lifts or exercises?
No, some accident.
Yes, the answer is
Accident.
exercise. Number 7, I put food on white checker plate.
3.
My fingers become peanut or itchy.
Itchy.
Okay, number 9, the peaches taste or forget delicious.
Okay.
Very good. I don't want to forget or itchy your name. It's the
Forget.
Okay, I don't want to forget your name. Okay, very good. Perfect score. Next, let's have this one. Do some exercise, does some exercise, or don't some exercise. What is the answer? The correct answer is
Do.
okay. The correct answer is do. Okay, do some exercise. Number 12, eat, don't eat,
Don't.
or doesn't eat. My brother, is it eat, don't eat, or doesn't eat? Yes, the answer is
Don't eat.
my brother don't eat shrimps. Okay, perfect. Next, please read Bill.
We don't eat pig. He finger bear on itchy. He don't eat tree. He eat big on big. He eat brother don't eat picture. He eat chef red on red. They are early. He can be doctor. See a doctor quick and tell teacher.
Okay, next. Are you done reading? Are you done reading? Yes, are you done reading?
Yes.
Okay, now let's have number 13. We have true or false. Peaches make Bill's finger itchy. True or false?
True.
Okay, letter B, read. Can you read letter B, then answer? Can you read first, then you can answer? Read first the letter B. Shrimps.
Ah. Two, four.
Okay, can you read letter A? Read the letter A.
Two.
Okay, can you read first? Peaches.
Two.
Can you read the letter A? Peaches.
Two.
Can you read
Two.
first? Can you read this one?
Teacher, bảy biểu teacher eating.
Okay, very good. Letter B. Can you read as well
Four.
letter B? Okay, please read letter B.
Three,
Shrimp.
mấy biểu teacher đi về.
Okay, letter C. Peanuts.
Four.
Can you read first? Peanuts.
Four.
Please read first. Read. Can you read this one first?
Bảy biểu brother cheese đi.
Okay, very good. How about number 14? What's the answer? A, B, or C? The answer is A, B, or C. Okay, C, a doctor. They see a doctor because they have allergies. Okay, very good. This is letter.
Mấy giờ? 50.
Okay, next. Okay, please read. Can you read this one?
Nó bị mẹ. Đâu vậy? Yeah. Thoát rồi. What?
Am I strange? Yes, read this one.
Am I stranger? It's my job. You eat pet food. Are you tired?
Okay, next. This one is
Lie down. Leave
perfect. Lie down.
Leave
Live.
it.
Okay, next. Miss and chance. Okay, again. Perfect. Lie down, live, miss, and chance. Okay, next. Please read.
You can sleep. You can get money. You can sleep. You can get money.
This one.
Huh?
The next.
Ah.
We
What?
can.
What?
Please read. Can you read this one?
We can lie down. We can watch TV. You can lie down. You can watch TV. They can lie down. They can watch TV.
All right. We have I can sleep. You can get money. She get money. This one we can lie down. You can watch TV and they can watch TV. Okay, next. Please read. Start here at the top. This one.
You are living in bed with your best friend for you. Just like that. In bed all day you can sleep. Anyhow, you can play game, you can watch TV, but you can live in your bed. You can get doing it or not.
Okay, very good. Next.
Don't miss each other.
All right, next. What is the main idea the story is all about? A job or a bed? The answer is a job or a bed?
Job.
A job. Okay, that's correct. Very good. Next. Live. Where's the picture of
Me
live?
like the best friend.
Okay, can you match your answer? Where's the live?
Living.
Okay, can you match your answer? Where is the picture that shows live?
Deep sea.
Yes, the answer is?
Deep sea. Deep sea.
Okay, this one. How about number 2?
Miss
Miss.
I.
Okay, lie down.
Like down. B. Best friend. D.
Okay, very good. All right, good job. So perfect score. Next, let's have now below. Okay, please read.
He leave the bed.
Okay, he leaves the bed. The second.
You can. You can. You can leave.
Okay. All right, perfect. Next, number 1 for this job, you can sleep, lie down, or meet people. The answer is
Leave.
number 2, you can get.
Hi.
Okay, very good. Number 3,
What can you do?
number 3 is.
I.
Okay, that's correct. All right, very good. So that's all. That's all for tonight because we don't have enough time. Let's continue this one for our next meeting, okay? So thank you and bye-bye.
Bye.